Hello there and welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. I'm Anuradha and I'm back again with the AFCAT 1 2021 exam analysis, and the analysis that I'm going to give you in this session is based on the papers of both the shifts for today, that is on 22nd of February 2021. So today was the last day of the AFCAT 1 2021 exam. I hope that all of you who had taken the exam so far have performed quite well in their exams. Those of you who have subscribed to our AFCAT course have already commented to us that they have got all the questions which we have discussed in the expected question series, as well as in the lectures, quizzes and mock test as well. So if you now want to subscribe to our most powerful AFCAT course, you can obviously do so very easily by downloading our mobile app from the Google Play Store. So once you get to subscribe to our course, you'll find all the video lectures, mock tests, updated syllabus, offline access, rank analysis, study notes, study plans, live classes and much more. So hurry up and subscribe to the most powerful AFCAT course if you're going to take your AFCAT 2 2021 exam, as well as AFCAT 1 and 2 2022 examinations as well. So we have covered all the syllabus with full preparation and full content for your help. Also, don't forget to take our AFCAT mock test series, which have been prepared by our top-notch tutors, exclusively keeping in mind the recent trends of the AFCAT examination. Also, do not forget to use the code WARRIOR10 while you are subscribing to our course, so that you can get an extra 10% off in your course as well. So first I'm going to start with the students' feedback. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how the questions were, what was the difficulty level, whether the questions were easy, moderate or difficult that came today. That is on 22nd of February 2021 for both the shifts. And so here I'm going to show you some of the students' feedback that we got on our social media pages. So S Kritika 157 said difficulty level, so she asked, and Dheeraj Kumar Shiva said slightly above average. Right, and Bliss said, why are day 3 questions always brutal? Okay, so for this particular student, it was quite brutal for to attend the day 3 examination of AFCAT. For Anjali Rajpuri, cutoff kam jani chahiye, and for Nihal 1409, it said correct answer was not in the options. Okay, they were talking about some questions besides questions from military aptitudes, that is from reasoning, especially those about finding different figure, were very confusing. So for this particular candidate, the non-verbal reasoning portion was little confusing. So let's now look into the overall paper analysis of AFCAT 1 2021 examination for today, that is on 22nd February 2021 for the shift 1. So here it is. For shift 1, the number of questions that came from numerical ability were 18. From reasoning, it were 32 in number. From English or verbal ability, it was 25, and general awareness also it was 25. Similarly, for the shift 2 part of AFCAT 1 2021 exam today, that is on 22nd of February 2021, 18 questions came from numerical ability, 32 from reasoning and military aptitude, 25 from English or verbal ability, and 25 from general awareness section. So for both the shift, the number of questions that came from each section were equal. Right, now talking about the difficulty level, now this is the ultimate question that you must be looking forward to. How was the exam overall for particularly for today, that is on 22nd February 2021, right? So here it is for shift 1. The English or verbal ability questions were moderate. For general awareness, the questions were easy. For numerical ability, for shift 1, the questions were moderate level of difficulty, while from reasoning and military aptitude, it was easy. So for the overall analysis, I must say that the shift 1 paper was comparatively moderate level of difficulty. Talking about the shift 2 of the AFCAT 1 2021 question paper for today, that is 22nd February 2021. Again, the questions from English or verbal ability were moderate level. From general awareness, the questions were quite easy. From numerical ability or maths, it was moderate. From reasoning and military aptitude, it was again easy. And so, like shift 1, shift 2 paper in AFCAT 1 2021 exam for today was also moderate level of difficulty. Okay, so overall, it was also moderate. Now, many of the students must be asking about the cutoff. Okay, this is the very common question that I have been looking forward to answer to you, that what will be the expected cutoff for this particular exam, that is AFCAT 1 2021, right? So first I'm going to show you the previous year cutoffs of the AFCAT examination. So in AFCAT 2 2020, the AFCAT cutoff was 155 and EKT was 40. For AFCAT 1 2020, it was 153 in AFCAT and 40 in EKT. For AFCAT 2 2019, it was 142 in AFCAT and 50 in EKT. For AFCAT 1 2019, AFCAT cutoff was 133 and EKT cutoff was 50. For AFCAT 2 2018, AFCAT cutoff was 140 and EKT cutoff was 55. While for AFCAT 1 2018, it was 155 for AFCAT and for EKT, the cutoff was 60. Okay, so then what will be the expected cutoff for AFCAT 1 2021? So for this is the expected cutoff for AFCAT 1 2021, keeping in mind all the questions that came, students' feedback, comments on the difficulty level of the questions for the 3 days into which this AFCAT 1 2021 exam took place. Our expected cutoff that we are expecting for AFCAT 1 2021 will be ranging between 150 to 155. Okay, so between 150 to 155. AFCAT 1 2021 cutoff will vary. For EKT 1 2021, the cutoff marks will vary from 40 to 50, right? So most of the times we have been in the past quite right about our expected cutoffs. You can just visit our blogs and websites and you will know. So for this year also, we are going to assume the expected cutoff to be this perfect, right? So I hope that all of your exams have been quite well. I'll be coming back with the answer keys for today's exam, that is on 22nd February AFCAT 1 2021 exam for both the shifts for different sections. So stay tuned to SSB Crack Exams and don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel, our Instagram page, and please join our Telegram group as well to get all the exam related notifications and updates. Till then, start working hard, always stay motivated and be confident. Jai Hind.